here doing agri. Press that subscribe button, like the video, comment, and yeah, let's do this. Let's roll on. Approaches to marketing. We have niche marketing, we have mass marketing, and we have multi-segment marketing. Niche marketing um, sells its specialized product to a small segment. Again, sells its specialized products to a small segment. Right. Mass marketing sells the same product in different ways. Again, to various groups of people or different groups of people. This is done on a large scale to target all customers. Again, multi-segment marketing sells its products to a few market segments. So you are not, it is between niche marketing and the mass marketing. So it is between these two approaches of marketing. It's between, it lies in between. Right, let's move on.